Hello and welcome to IT Voice, your one-stop for all things tech. I'm Chahat, bringing you the latest from the world of technology. From cutting-edge product launches to breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, we've got it all covered. WhatsApp to replace the profile pictures with phone contact images in new privacy update. WhatsApp is reportedly testing a significant interface change that replaces traditional user-uploaded display pictures (DPs) with images saved in a user's local phone contacts. This update aims to enhance privacy by giving users more control over how their contacts appear on their screens, potentially mitigating the use of unauthorized or outdated profile photos. The feature will automatically sync contact imagery across the app's chat list and group conversations. By shifting toward local data synchronization, WhatsApp continues to prioritize user-centric privacy controls while streamlining the visual experience for its global user base. Truecaller expands global market access for AI-powered business chat platform. Truecaller has officially opened global access to its advanced business chat platform aimed at transforming how enterprises interact with customers. The platform leverages AI-driven tools to provide verified, secure, and media-rich communication channels, moving beyond traditional SMS. By offering real-time analytics and interactive features, Truecaller enables businesses to build brand trust and reduce friction. This global rollout focuses on improving engagement rates through branded identities, allowing companies to deliver personalized customer support and marketing at scale, while ensuring a seamless, spam-free user experience. Flipkart Big Bachat Days sale goes live. Major discounts on tech and appliances. Flipkart has kicked off its Big Bachat Days sale, offering deep discounts of up to 60% across popular categories, including smartphones, smart TVs, and air conditioners. Major brands like Apple, Samsung, and Realme are seeing significant price cuts, with additional bank offers and exchange bonuses further lowering costs. Targeted at summer shoppers, the sale highlights premium cooling appliances and high-end electronics. By combining aggressive pricing with flexible payment options like Buy Now, Pay Later, Flipkart aims to drive high volume during this seasonal shopping window. Apple integrates ChatGPT support into CarPlay with iOS 26.4 update. Apple has officially rolled out the iOS 26.4 update, bringing native ChatGPT integration to CarPlay. This milestone enables drivers to engage in natural, complex conversations and manage hands-free tasks using OpenAI's advanced conversational intelligence. The update focuses on safety, allowing users to draft messages, get real-time travel recommendations, and control smart home devices via voice commands without diverting attention from the road. By merging generative AI with automotive software, Apple aims to deliver a more intuitive, context-aware driving experience that surpasses traditional voice assistant capabilities. Microsoft finally restores taskbar customization in new Windows 11 update. Microsoft is reportedly testing a highly requested update that allows Windows 11 users to move their taskbar to the top or sides of the screen. Since its launch, the OS restricted the taskbar to the bottom, causing significant user pushback. This upcoming build reintegrates legacy flexibility, enabling a more personalized desktop layout. The update also includes refined animations and improved multi-monitor support. By addressing this long-standing UX complaint, Microsoft aims to enhance productivity and satisfy professional users who rely on non-traditional screen setups for efficient workflow management. Realme 16 5G debuts in India with unique selfie mirror and aggressive pricing. Realme has officially launched the Realme 16 5G in India, targeting Gen Z users with a focus on content creation. Starting at Rs 31,999, this smartphone features an innovative selfie mirror integrated into the rear camera module, allowing users to frame high-quality rear camera vlogs easily. The device is powered by a high-performance MediaTek Dimensity chipset, a vibrant 120Hz AMOLED display, and supports ultra-fast charging. By blending combining stylish aesthetics with functional hardware. Realme aims to strengthen its position in the competitive mid-premium segment against rivals like Nothing and Motorola. So today's iTool is Pine AI, the autonomous agent navigating customer service for you. Pine AI is an innovative autonomous agent designed to eliminate the frustration of customer service by handling calls and emails on your behalf. Founded by former tech executives, the tool tackles tasks like negotiating bills or securing refunds across sectors like telecom, banking, and travel. Operating on a results-based tip model, Pine boasts high success rates in reducing service costs and obtaining compensation. Backed by significant Series A funding, this AI-driven solution offers a set-and-forget experience, freeing users from long hold times and repetitive administrative hurdles. Our last story is about Google unveils Gemma 4, high-performance OpenAI model for smartphones. Google has officially launched Gemma 4, the latest iteration of its open-weights AI model family, specifically optimized for on-device performance. Unlike massive cloud-based LLMs, Gemma 4 is designed to run locally on high-end smartphones, ensuring enhanced privacy and offline functionality. The model demonstrates significant improvements in reasoning, multilingual processing, and coding assistance, while maintaining a compact footprint. By democratizing access to powerful, mobile-friendly AI, Google aims to empower developers to create sophisticated, low-latency applications that operate independently of constant internet connectivity or expensive server infrastructure. That's it for today's bulletin. We'll be back tomorrow with more insights and another AI tool to supercharge your digital life. Stay sharp, stay ahead. This is Chahat signing off from IT Voice